In a hidden valley, where magic and science intertwine, lived Dr. Alara Kinley, a reclusive geneticist. She dedicated her life to unlocking the secrets of hybrid creatures, aiming to create a being that represented the synergy between nature and technology. After years of experimentation, Dr. Kinley succeeded in creating the Wyphon, a unique animal blending a wolf and a phoenix. This majestic creature embodied the strength and loyalty of a wolf with the beauty and regenerative powers of a phoenix, its feathers shimmering like a living flame. The Wyphon's existence couldn't remain secret for long. Word spread, sparking interest and ambition. Various factions emerged, some seeking to harness its capabilities for warfare, while others saw it as a symbol of unity in a world balancing technology and nature. Amid rising tensions, mercenaries